What is the command to reset a Windows installation without deleting any files? I want to sell a PC and have reinstalled Windows 10 and afterwards I installed the correct CU driver. Now I want to reset the PC so when it gets turned on the next time the Windows first time configuration comes up, but the already installed CU driver should not be removed. I know that this is possible and have done it multiple times already, but I don't remember the command and can't find it anywhere.
After searching for a whole hour I found the solution, sysprep. Enter this as in the command line and it will shut down your PC after confirming. The next time you start your PC it will look like a fresh install.
This shouldn't be necessary, as Windows 10 will auto-install all WHUL drivers required by the hardware upon running Windows Update. Exception is chipset drivers. The only way to ensure the CU driver is permanently included, in this scenario, is to install a previous version of Windows 10, v1809, v1803, etc. Install the CU driver. Update to v1903, any version newer than one installed. Perform a reset via Apply, GUI, Settings and GT, Update and AMP, Security and GT, Recovery and GT, reset this PC. Recovery. Click the power button, hold down Shift and select Restart. Once recovery menu loads, select Troubleshoot, then reset your PC. Screenshots, how to perform a clean install using Reset This PC in Windows 10.
Factorydefaults.